Hi everyone, so this is my summary for Rise Travels. First off, just like an overview, I always focused on answering like these three questions, whether I was writing an Instagram caption or a blog post. I always wanted to be answering these questions somehow for my audience. And then my main goal was to build up my Instagram so that I would have an audience to send over to my blog and get more traffic there. And to get that main goal of building up my audience, I always wanted to be answering those questions with my content, whether that's on my Instagram or my blog. Here's my target persona. This is a pretty basic college student. She's very financially independent, but wants to travel and wants to know how to do that while in college. And then here's just an example of my content and my design. I used all of my own photos from like when I was traveling, and I wanted to make it really personable. I didn't want to use stock photos anytime I could, again, just to keep it my own brand and my own personal style and like to fit with my personality. I wanted it to look really real, so that my audience could felt like they could interact with it. Some of my KPIs and metrics that I focused on again are geared towards Instagram, but I got 91 followers. Total post engagements were, so this is all of the posts combined, but I had 72 comments and 305 likes. And then overall, I got 5 blog subscribers, which I thought was pretty good. And then here's an example of my best post. It had 33 likes and 7 comments. And just overall, I really liked doing this. Honestly, like it was fun to build up my own personal brand. I want to learn more when it comes to blogging and keywords and SEO and all that good stuff. But yeah, I honestly want to keep both of my accounts going, like my blog and my Instagram account, just for fun and to build up my portfolio for future.